Welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. Yes, today we are going to discuss. You are waiting for that previous examination questions with shortcut solutions. Today we are discussing. Friends, in our previous video about pair of linear equation, I completed about concept as well as model questions. Now, based on that video, those who are watched that video, do this answer without my solution. Yes, I have to prove it now. Let us see. The question will be, if 9x plus 11y is equals to 51 and 11x plus 9y equals to 49, then x equals that. Before going to solve this question, I want to ask one question. You comment it. Just we have to interact with this class, then it is feeling like an offline class. What is the condition of pair of linear equations? Tell me. Pause the video, comment it. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, your answer is a1 square plus b1 square not equal 0, a2 square plus b2 square not equal 0 is the condition. And one more last question before going to start now. If two pair of linear equations has parallel lines, it has how many solutions? Two pair of equations are said to be parallel lines, then it has dash solutions. Yes, you are right. No solution. Now come to the point. Two pair of linear equations are given. Find the value of x. Let us write what is the question is given. 9x plus 11y here is equals 51. 11x plus 9y is equals to 49. These are the equations. If you find the x value, we have to go with equalize the x coefficients. Here x value, here x coefficient is 9, here 11. Not equal. So I should multiply with 11 with this equation. 11 of this total. Here 11 of 51. Okay. 11 into 9, 99x. 11 into 11, 121y is equals to. Okay. Now second equation. 11 is multiplied with this first equation. This 9 is multiplied with second equation. That means 9 of 11x plus 9y is equals to 9 into 49. 99x, 81y, next 441. Okay. Now these are the equation we are getting. Now we have to equalize. This equation you have to take it as down. Minus 81y, sorry, plus 81y, 441. Now change the signs. Here 99x get cancelled. 121 minus 81 is nothing but 40. Okay, na? Next, here 561 nothing but we have to get 120. So y equals to 30. 41 43. We are getting y value, but he is asking x value. Okay, na? This y value substituting is here. 9x plus 11 into 3 is equals to 51. 9x 11 3 is 33 is equals to 51. 9x equals to 51 minus 33 is nothing but 18. So 9x equals to 18, x equals to 18 by 9, 9 1 is 9 2. So x equals to 2. X equals to 2. This is the answer. Am I right? Friends, actually this process we have to do with minimum 1 or 2 minutes. But in what way we have to do this shortcut way? Let us this shortcut. Here 9, here 11. Okay, na? Here 11, here 9. What is the difference between that? 2. That is the answer. Finish. That is the x value. Here difference of 9x to 11x 2, 11y to 9y 2, 51 to 49 2. Maybe the answer will be 2. This is a general method I am telling. So maybe answer may be 2. Then I have to substitute 2 here. Shortcut way I am explaining to you now. So if I in this equation I am going to substitute for x value 2. Now 11y is equals to 51 as it is. Okay, na? Now 9 to 18. 11y is equals to 51. 11y equals to 33. Y equals to 3. 10 seconds. So y equals to 3. X equals to these two substitute here. X 2. Y we are getting 3. 11 2 is 22. 9 3 is 27. 22 plus 27 49. Yes sir, your guessing is correct. Friends, నేను ఏం చెప్పాను గుర్తుపెట్టాలి. డిఫరెన్స్ అంతా 2 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ మేబీ 2 ఉండొచ్చు. అలాంటి సందర్భంలో నేను x వాల్యూ 2 తీసుకున్నాను, y వచ్చాను. ఈ రెండు వాల్యూ తీసుకుపోయి ఈ సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో పెట్టాను, నాకు ఆన్సర్ 49 వచ్చింది. అంటే మన గెస్సింగ్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ విల్ గివ్ ద ఆన్సర్. No need to do this solution. Actually it is also very easy, but it will take 2 to 3 minutes now. This is how many seconds, Amma? below 1 minute we can get the answer. Your choice, which is best, you can choose it, you can solve it, right? Next, a pair of equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 has unique solution. Yes, keyword unique solution. Say yes, a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. We are right. a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by. This is the answer. Okay. This kind of questions also concept oriented question they are giving. You will get the mark. Which year? 2017. You got. Just you have to get answer. Concept is power. If the difference of two numbers is 5, and their product is 84, then the numbers are difference. For example, let us take the two numbers difference x minus y is 5, and product of two numbers is 84. Find x and y value. Friends, in this I told you, every pair of linear equation you have to solve in 3 methods. In that geometry method, model method, algebraic method. In that algebraic method I am going to do now substitution method. Here x equals to 5 plus y, minus y transfer to right side becomes to plus y. This value substituting in equation number 1 for suppose. Here 5 plus y into y is equals to 84. 5 into y 5y, y into y square equals to 84. The 84 converted to left side, it is become a quadratic equation in terms of y. Y square plus 5y minus 84 is a quadratic equation. Based on polynomial knowledge, we are going to solve this. Here 1 into minus 84 factors, which is equals to plus 5, and that means 7, 12 7 is 84. Here which is sign? Plus sign. Bigger number having plus sign, smaller is minus. Plus 12 comes outside, minus 12, minus 7 comes outside, plus 7. This is your answer. Plus 7 minus 12. Where it is? You have done this answer by taking 1 minute, but we have to solve this answer 5 seconds, within 5 seconds. How it is? What is the question is given, amma? The paper setter has to make a question. They know. Don't want to take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. They don't want to ask like to you. They are saying within 1 minute లోనే పిల్లలు చేసేలా క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ తయారు చేస్తారు. మనం క్వశ్చన్ లోని ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ మనం లాజికల్ గా ఆలోచించాలమ్మా. అలా ఆన్సర్ రాబట్టాలి 1 minute బిఫోర్. మీన్స్ 1 minute లో క్వశ్చన్ రీడ్ చేయాలి, ఆన్సర్ పెట్టాలి, బబులింగ్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఆన్సర్ 30 seconds లో వచ్చేలా ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు దిస్ ఆన్సర్ నేను 5 seconds చెప్తాను చూడండి. The difference of two numbers, how much? 5. 14 minus 6, 8 difference. It's not an option. 21 minus 4, 7 difference. It's not our option. 14 minus 5, 14 minus 9, 5. 12 minus 7, 5. Answer between 2 and 4. Next condition. Product of these two, 84. 12 into 7, 84. 14 9 ja 126. So 84 only tally for this option. That is the answer. That's it. Okay na? Difference of two numbers is 5. Here 12 minus 7 5 only. Here 14 minus 9 5 only. But product is 84. Here product is 84. Your product is 126. So perfect answer is second. No need to do this kind of any solution like a traditional method. Now let us see one more question. The perimeter of a rectangular room is 34 centimeter. And the length of the diagonal is 13 meters. Then dimensions of the room. Simple amma. What is considered rectangular room? This perimeter is given 34. Diagonal is given 13. Find length, breadth. If you know the idea of diagram, then you can solve the answer. Let us see, friends. Perimeter formula 2 of L plus B is equals 34. Now L plus B equals to 17. Okay. One equation. Now diagonal of a rectangle, root of L square plus B square. Diagonal of a square is root 2a. Diagonal of rectangle is root of L square plus B square. Keep in your mind this formula. Now here for suppose I am taking a L equals to 17 minus B. Here L equals 17 minus B. Substitute here. This value is given 13 L square plus B square root. Squaring on both sides. Now square root cancel. When the square root will cancel, our answer will be going to very easy manner. 13 square 169, L square plus B square. Friends, here what is L value? 17 minus B. 17 minus B whole square plus B square is equals to 169. 169. A minus B whole square. 17 square 289 plus B square 2ab minus 34b, 2 into 17 into b minus 34b plus b square. b square 2b square minus 34b. Now transfer to this side, we are getting minus plus 120. 289 minus 169 minus 120 plus 120. Now do the common. Take the common to b square minus 17b plus 60 is equal to 0. So what is the quadratic equation? B square minus 17b plus 120. If I take the common, 2b square minus 17, 2b square common 2, here we are getting b square, 34 common 2, 17, here 120 common 60. So I am getting b square minus 17b plus 60 is equal to 0. Here 1 into 60, 60 factors, which is sufficient to minus 17. Minus 17. So 12 5s are minus 12, minus 5. Minus 12, minus 5, minus 17. Minus into minus. Plus 12 5 is 60. It is satisfied. Now minus 12 comes outside plus 12, minus 5 comes outside plus 5. 12 plus 5 is the option. This is the answer. Friends, this method I explained very clearly as a traditional method. But you want shortcut no like this question? I want to tell you 5 seconds. Let us see. The perimeter of a room is 34. Means 2 lengths, 2 breadths. And what are the options are given? You have to add it and double it. Perimeter means sum of 2 and double it. Here 7 plus 6, 13 double 26. Here 34. This is my action. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 double 34. Maybe. 12 plus 7, 12 plus 5, 17 double 34. Maybe. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 double 36. It's not an option. The answer will be these two. And diagonal. Diagonal is what squaring on both sides. We should get 169. No? So what are the terms we have to square and we should add it? 11 square 121. 6 square 36. So I am getting 157. 12 square 144. 5 square 25. I am getting 169. 13 square 169. So tallying this answer. So answer is this one. This is the way we have to start turning the option, then only we will get the answer. Without doing this kind of solution. But first one time you do practice like this, then you will get such a calm brain. You can go with shortcut way. Okay. Now let us see one more year papers. Friends, see the 2018 questions and its solutions. These are all. The lines represented by 5x plus 7y minus 14 equals 0 and 10x plus 3y minus 8 equals 0 are dash lines, coincident, parallel, unique and vertical. Here we have to go with first A1, the conditions we should require. What is the condition here? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Right? Now A1 by A2, 5 by 10, B1 by B2, 7 by 3, C1 by C2, minus 14 by minus 8. Then 5 by 10, 7 by 3 only cancel. Means first two only A1 by A2 not equals to B1. First condition only satisfied. What is the first condition? Intersecting as well as, yes, consistent. But here consistent is not there. Only intersecting is there. That is our option. Intersecting lines. That's it. Next. If the larger of two complementary angles exceed the smaller by 18, then the smallest angle. You don't know the smallest angle. For example, X. Larger angle exceeds by 18. Larger angle exceeds by 8. Exceeds means increase. But what is the meaning of complementary? Sum of two angles equals to 90 degrees is called complementary. So for example, sum of two angles x plus y equals to 90 degree. For suppose. Okay? Smallest angle x. What is the largest? Well, here smallest, this is largest. Largest will be exceeds than small. How much? This is a larger angle. It is exceeds the smaller by 18. చిన్నదాని కన్నా 18 ఎక్కువగా ఉంది పెద్ద యాంగిల్. సో స్మాల్ యాంగిల్ కన్నా 18 ఎక్కువ లార్జర్ యాంగిల్. ఈ వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ పెట్టండి. x plus 18 is equals to 90. x plus x 2x plus 18 equals to 90. So 2x equals to 90 minus 18. 18 transfer right side it becomes to minus 18. So 2x equals to 72. Now x equals to 36. This is a smaller angle. And I want to tell you shortcut method. What is asking smaller angle? Okay. What is the larger angle will be more than of 18 or smaller? 36 plus 18, 54. So sum of these two becomes to 90. This is the concept of complementary. So perfect option is 36. Now this is, you can check. 18, 3, 63. It is not equals to complementary concept. Like that, any option also not fit for. Only this is a perfect. Am I right? Now, if x plus y is equals to 2015 has dash solution. I told you every linear equation two variable, it has many solutions. So here 2015, 21, 22, whatever it is given, it has many solutions. No doubt at all. The condition of ax plus by plus c equals to be a linear equation. What is the condition? Simple. Here a not equals to 0, b not equals to 0, or a1 square a square plus b square not equals to 0. These are the two conditions you keep in your mind. A not equals 0, b not equals 0. Sometimes a square plus b square also not equals 0. This is the main condition of which will become a linear equation. Okay. 2015 has many solutions. Every linear equation two variable must be, the condition will be a not equals 0, b not equals 0, or a square plus b square not equals 0. Next friends, nature of this question. Nature means what is the condition should be satisfied. Here a1, b, a2, 4 by 3 by 2. Okay. b1, b2, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Okay, it is clear. Now these two will be multiplied. 2 3 is 6, here 4. Okay na? Otherwise you have 2 by 1 reciprocal, 1 by 2 also you can write 4 by 3 into 1 by 2, nothing but 4 by 6. So 2 by 3. 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. So 2 by 3 equals to 2 by 3. So a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 amma. a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. Now we have to check it c1 by c2 also. c1 plus 8 comes to left side, minus 8, 12 also, and 8 by 12. 8 by 12. 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja. 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, all are equal. So a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 and equals to c1 by. Three conditions are equal. Then the lines are called as dependent and coincident, or are consistent and dependent. Where is the word consistent and dependent? Only consistent, inconsistent, independent. Independent word also not there. Dependent and consistent. This is your answer. When it is possible, a1, if a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 are equal, this condition will be satisfied. Okay. Next 10th question. If the system of equation x plus 2y equals 5 and 3x plus ky plus 15 equals 0 has no solution. Has no solution. Oh, parallel lines. You think like that. Immediately think like that. Parallel. What is the condition of parallel? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. What is the a1 value, friend? Here 1. Anything is not there means 1. Here a2 3. b1 2. b2 k. So k1 the k, 3 to the 6. K equals 6. Finish. Answer is finished. Friends, see 2019 and 2020 questions with shortcut solutions. The question 11th one. If the system of equations 2x plus 3y equals 7, a plus b of x plus 2a minus b equals to y of equals to 21 has infinite solution. What is the meaning of infinite solution? What is the keyword here? Infinite solution. Infinite means second condition or third condition. Third condition. Very good. That nothing but a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. It is the third condition. Infinite solution. Here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Write down a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Clear? Friends, here you should observe, you have to compare it like this. 2 by a plus b equals 7 by 21. 3 by 2a minus b equals to 7 by 21. I am comparing between these two equations. Now, friends, 7 1 is 7 3 is 21. 2 by a plus b is equals to 1 by 3. Now a plus b equals to 6. Cross multiplication. If I am doing cross multiplication, a plus b equals 6. Equation 1. Here also 7 1 is 7 3 is 3 by 2a minus b equals to 1 by 3. 2a minus b equals to 9. Equation number 2. Okay. Now from equation 1 and 2 solve it. A plus b is equals 6. 2a minus b is equals 9. B will get cancelled. We are not changing the signs also. Automatically plus minus will be there. So 3a is equals to 15. 15a is equals to 5. Now a value substituting here 5. A 5 plus b equals 6. B equals 6 minus 5 1. 5 1. A equals to 5 b 1. This is your answer. Question we have to solve in shortcut way. For example, do you know one idea? This is condition we should write after applying this term. No need to do this total term. Just we have to write the direct answer. Answer to the question. If I am choosing here all are one positive, one negative, one positive, both negative. You don't want to take negative value. Only it should go with positive value, because in 4 option, this is negative, this is negative, this is negative. This is only different one will be there. That different one will be, we have to substitute here. Okay. After here a value for suppose 5, b value is 1. So 2 by 5 plus 1 is equals to 7 by 21. Okay. 2 by 6 is equals to 7 by 21. 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 7 1 ja 7 3. So 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. Yes, starting here. So that is the answer. A equals to 5, b equals to 1. No doubt at all. You can solve this way. No need to do this one. What I have done, once again I should say a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, you should substitute. In the 2 by a plus b equals to 7 by 21, you take it out as. Now here all are negative signs, only positive option is there, b. That value you substitute here. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 by 6 value 1 by 3, 7 by 21 value also 1 by 3. Both are tallying. That is the reason we are choosing this option. Or else we can solve this method also. Next. If the solutions of the equation 3x minus 2y minus 7 equals 0 and 6x plus ky plus 11 equals 0 has unique solution, means intersecting. That means a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. That implies 3a1 a2 b1 b2. Okay na? Cross multiplication. Here 3k is equals to minus 12, k equals to minus 12 by 3. 3 comes down, minus 3. 12 by 3 means 4. 3 1 3 4. So minus 4. K not equals to minus 4. Because here not equals to condition there, no? A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2 not equals there, no? So that is the reason K is not equals to minus 4. Minus 4. This is the option. Okay. Next. For the equation 2019 x plus 2020 y is equals to 40 40. When x equals 0, then what is the value of y? Simple. X equals, he said 0. Here this is 0. Finish. X equals 0 means total value 0. Anything multiplied with 0, 0 becomes 0. Now 2020 y 40 40. So 2020 comes to down. 1 ja 2 ja. Finish. Answer is 2. Okay. Next. If the solution of 99x plus 101y is equals 499 and 101x plus 99y 501 is what? If you are doing substitution and multiply that method, you can get minimum 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Time will lose. Easy method. Answer to question. Here positive, here positive. Here negative, negative, negative. This is the answer. 100% that is the answer. Now check it. 99x plus 101y is equals to 499. I told you, no? 99 into 3, y value 2. X value, y value. 3 9 27, carry 27 plus 2 29. 1 is 101 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 0 2 0. So 297 202 99 499. Okay, right. Next. Good. If 5 comma 2 is the solution of 2x plus 5y equals 20 and ax minus by equals 0, then ab. Okay, it is the solution. X value 5, y value 2 beta. 2 into 5 10, 5 into 2 10, 10 plus 10 20. Satisfied. Same point is the equation of this one. So that means ax minus by equals 0. That means x value 5 5a, y value given 2. 2 into b 2b is equal to 0. One equation we are getting. Now you should go with answer to question. Don't go with the equation elimination solution. That is a lengthy process. Shortcut is important. Smart solutions. 2 5 5 2 minus 2 5 minus 5 minus 2. I told you, no, it is a value. For suppose you can take 2. B value 5. 5 to the 10, 2 5 the 10. 10 minus 10, 0. So option is 2. 1. Option is 1. This one you can take it. This one also. Choose it. For suppose A value 5, B value 2. We should get 0. 5 5 is 25, 2 to the 4. 25 minus 4, 21. 21 not equal 0. So perfect option will be 2 and 5. Am I right, my dear friends? This is the way we have to solve the question, easy man. And one more last and but not least question will be there for you. 2020, the solution of 7x plus 5y minus is equals to 12. 5x minus 7y equals minus 2 is not equals to. Is not equals to. Options. You should observe the options. All are 1 1 1 only. You see, 22 by 1 1 cancel. 2 by 22 1. This is answer 1 minus 1. 14 14 1 and minus 1 comma 1. 33 by 31, 44 45 1 comma 1. Here 1 1 1 comma 1 1 1 comma 1 1 comma 1 1. 4 option. First option minus 1 comma 1. Second option 1 1. Third option 1 1. Fourth different option, maybe that is answer. You can see that is not equals to means A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So first two only not equals. Here friends, in this option you substitute here. Say x value minus 1 here, minus 7, y value 1, minus 7 plus 5, 2, but 12 is not getting. All are getting 12, 12, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I told you now, different option, that is the answer, but I am verified. You see, minus 1 plus 1, x plus లో minus 1 పెట్టండి, minus 7 అవుతుంది. 1 పెట్టండి 12, మరి ఈక్వల్ టు 12 కాదు, 12 అవుతలేదు కదా, ఇవన్నీ అవుతాయి, అది ఒక్కటే కాదు, అది కానీ అడుగుతున్నాను. ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్. That, my dear friends, I hope you have understood this class today happily, hopefully, and this chapter also completed. And dear friends, my suggestion, as my experience, I am telling you, listening is not important, practicing is important. Okay na? You practice well. In the description I have to put the minimum 100 questions. Daily practice, minimum 10 20 like that, you practice it. Do you have any doubt? You send the comment section, that I will send the answer to you. Till then, practice well. Hopefully, God bless you. Thank you.